Why a local lender? Having been in the mortgage business for almost 20 years, I'm super passionate about being a loan officer and helping fulfill on their goal of, whether it's someone buying their first home and holding their hand and teaching them everything about buying a place and getting them through the emotions and the anxiety and the roller coaster of buying their first property, to that seasoned investor who's looking at, how do I buy my 4th, 5th, 10th, 20th property? How do I buy an apartment, right? Someone who's maxing things out. Or the family who's like, you know what? I see there's an opportunity to lower my rate and payment and put some money back on the family balance sheet. Or maybe I've gotten behind on some credit cards and I've got some debt that I didn't really intend on having at this stage of life, and I can leverage my mortgage, a lower interest rate, and all the tax deductions and wonderful benefits financially to pay off that debt and really free up some cash flow for myself. For me, there's tons of choices out there, but work with a local lender whenever you can. And here's why. First and foremost, when you work with a local lender, you are supporting a local person, their family, and their community. When you fund a loan with the Carmody team in Synergy One Lending, you're supporting not just the Carmody family, but all of my staff and their families. We are putting our money and our income back out into the community. One, through philanthropy. We give 10% of the profits from every loan back to local nonprofits, and we dine, we shop, we play sports, our kids go to school here. So all of those things, all of that comes full circle back to support you in the market that you are buying or refinancing in. What else? Why else a local lender? Appraisals, okay? So an appraiser is going to give you an opinion of value on the property that you are getting a loan on. Now, a lot of, nationwide big lenders, they've got these huge appraisal management companies, and they don't have control of who's in the panel. Do they know the neighborhoods? Do they live in the neighborhoods? When you work with a local lender, that local lender is going to have hand-picked appraisers in their panel, in their appraisal management company, that live in those neighborhoods, know street by street how to comp the properties, therefore giving you a fair opinion of value. Why else a local lender? Local lender, you want a team that's going to originate, process, underwrite, draw loan docs, and fund that loan all locally where that property is being financed. Not to mention time zones are a big thing. I've definitely been funding loans in California through an East Coast bank, and it doesn't work. It causes problems and issues. So there's a whole multitude of reasons of why borrowing local, but I think first and foremost, supporting your local community and those families that support you is why you should be lending local. Another reason that's really important and to your benefit to lend local and work with a local lender is reputation. Let's be honest, this is a relationship-based business, particularly residential real estate, and who you work with matters. When you're writing an offer on that property to buy it, and you've got a pre-qualification letter from some online nationwide lender that's totally in another part of the country or world, and they're at, advertising push button get mortgage, which couldn't be further from the truth, that doesn't really carry as much weight and instill confidence in that listing agent and the seller to work with you. When you work with a local lender who has name recognition, brand recognition, performance recognition, and can back it up with on-time smooth closings, that carries a lot of weight. So that is another huge reason why you should be working with a local lender. There's a multitude of benefits. I hope that you choose to work with us. I'm happy to answer any questions you have anytime. Thanks for watching my video. I'm here to provide value, educate, and make things really simple so you can make informed, confident choices. Please do me a favor, subscribe, comment, share this video with your family and friends. I'm happy to answer any questions and add value. Stick around because there's going to be weekly videos coming out ongoingly on new topics to teach you everything you need to know about loans and mortgage.